Hello, Auto Assets here. Just giving you a walk around this Honda Africa Twin. This is the 1000cc engine, and as you can see comes with full luggage here as well. We'll do a full walk around of the bike and I'll get her started up as well. So start down here at the forks. Good condition, a little mudguard extender as well, and you've got the SW-MOTECH little engine guard there as well. Dual brakes in the front. We've got an upgraded front screen here. We've got the original as well included in the sale. Handguards there. Generally the bike's in very good condition, as expected in Hondas. No rips and tears in the seat. And it's a full Honda luggage as well. There's a few blemishes and scratches on here. Honda as well. And yeah, other Honda luggage. Chain and sprockets are in good condition. Got adjustable suspension here at the rear and at the front. You've got a few things. You've got your traction control up here, your menus that you can select through. As I mentioned, you've got adjustable suspension in the front. You're good to go. You can also, should you wish to, turn the ABS off as well. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let me get the bike started up for you. And just while the bike's warming up, I'll just confirm everything's working as it should. So we'll start with the indicators here. Nice LED indicators there. Flip round the other side. Actually, you've got your standard running lights, full beam there as well. Horn works. Now, the controls here are really easy to use. So you've got set and select. So where this little indicator is, that's your set. So if I press that once, you'll see it flash. I can then move it up and down. So let's say I let it go here. Press set again, and then if I move up and down, it'll move that channel. So if I go up, see the trip. Again, same up here. So you can kind of choose and decide what you kind of want to do for yourself in regards to the level of display. So quite clever. Let me give the bike a few revs so you can hear how she sounds. Tell the upgraded exhaust is quite good on that one. The Africa Twin, 1000cc. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.